We have ActivePepper.
Sorry. No worries.
My name is Yasi, and this is Ramsey. We are co-founders of ActivePepper. So maybe we ask a question. How many of you do sports? Any sports? Workout, running, basketball, squash? Perfect. And how many of you ever had a problem finding a tennis partner, someone to run with, pick up basketball game? Hands? Perfect. So you guys can connect to our problem. So the original idea of ActivePepper came based on my personal experience. I grew up doing a lot of sports. I was competing in skiing, but for some of the sports such as tennis and basketball that require partners, I dropped those sports because I did not have the patience of waiting around for other people and get the game going. So when I came to Harvard Business School last year, I started seeing that a lot of people are using listservs and sending multiple emails per day looking for tennis partners, squash partners, someone to run with, someone to play basketball with. So I thought that maybe this is a wider spread problem, and after we did a lot of research, we actually realized that that is a problem. We heard from a lot of people that they wanted to have sports for their, they wanted to have partner for their sports, because either the sports require to have partner or team, or because they get bored running or biking alone for miles, or just for motivational reason and for the joy of playing sports with other people. That's why we decided to start ActivePepper. So ActivePepper is a location-based mobile application available in the App Store today, and hopefully soon in other platforms, which connects you to other people who wanted to play sports and shows you a wide range of sports activities. The way it works is that you can go to the app and you can search for different sports activities, or you can post your own event and invite your friends or put it public and allow other people to join you for sports. So right now, we have actually a broad range of things that we offer aside from the fact that we connect the users for sports. We have lists of facilities with detail of pricing and the sports that each facility offers, and also we have lists of classes and some of the local races. So maybe it makes sense to switch to the product, so we can show you a quick demo. So the way it works, you can connect with Facebook or with your email and basically create a profile. It will pull your information from Facebook if you want to just log in with your Facebook. And let's see if we can get this going. I'll just describe as we're getting that going. Anyway, so when you log in, you see the list of the events that are posted. So you can click on the event, you can share it on your Facebook. Great. So this is basically the list that you get. Here you can search for like different sports events. Like, let's say, for instance, this one, a bunch of people are going. Let's say I want to add myself. I add myself to this and add it to my local calendar. And I can share on my Facebook to tell my friends that I'm going to this event and other people can join. And I can also communicate with the people who are attending, post whatever I want. And let's say I did not like any of the events that are posted here. I wanted to create my own event. I go create a tennis game. I put a test here. And then I pick a date, tomorrow, and then I can pick a location. This is a list that I was referring to. You can pick your favorite location. You can add location if you can't find any here. You can also view it on the map, and that will give you list of all the facilities. Let's say this one up here, it will give you the pricing. You can also click, you can call to make a reservation, and you get direction You just don't do any of those. We just pick your location, and you can set it up public or private, and your event is created. Anyways, so now let's open it up to the questions. It's always been ActivePepper, yeah. We just launched basically the first version of the product a few weeks ago to the App Store. So, and we just were working on it for 3 months. So it's been always ActivePepper. Yeah.
Is there a way to put a limit on the events that you created for the people who want to attend? For example, create an event basketball game. Could you create a kind of like a limit and check mechanism so that people who actually show up are the people who were the first come, first serve basis, who were the first to, you know?
Yeah, definitely that's one of the features that we're planning to add, but right now we do not have that. Yeah, but that's definitely something that we'll help us out. Yeah, go ahead.
I think that's monetized it. And,
yeah.
Is it also on Android or is it just iPhone?
So right now it's only iPhone, but the web app is coming out hopefully very soon, and that is then on other platforms. And for monetization, we have thought about like multiple ways to monetize this, but to be honest with you, this is a network effect game. If you get the network right, we believe monetization will follow, but advertising, booking system, hosting fees from the partners, all of those are ways that we can monetize. Yeah, go ahead.
Are you like pulling this information from other, sites, like meetups and others?
We have partnership with all the different groups that are posting to our platform, and also for the facilities, it's been compiled by our own.
Oh, I see, yeah. Like I realized that on the bottom.
Yeah.
And through Meetup, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how do you ensure that the person actually shows up? Let's say I booked a tennis court, I have to pay money for it, and how do I know the person will show up?
That's a very good question. So right now, at the moment, we don't have any mechanism to monitor that, but we have review system coming in the next version of the product that basically you can review people. If you're early bird, you're there, you get a badge. If you're late, always it will eventually show up based on other people's review. Or if you don't show up, then similar to Airbnb, we can push down the users that are not basically having good reviews. Yeah, go ahead.
Do you like grade levels? I mean, some people are more adept at a certain sport, or others are like a sort of
Yeah, we
also
actually
rank
have
themselves
skill
as average.
Yeah, we have skill level, and eventually we'll have skill levels that are particular to each sport. But
Could
right
it
now
also
it's
apply to
basically
someone
just
who's trained?
simple. Yeah, 3 levels. We just kept it simple, but eventually we'll have like particular to each sport. We have the skill level because that's one of the things that people do really care about. Yeah. Any more question? I have. Yeah, go ahead.
So why can't I do the same thing on Meetup?
So Meetup is good for group events, and the problem with Meetup today is like you can't find like match one-on-one for tennis or things like that. And it's like a lot of the comments that we get, the lists are stale. A lot of people just sign up to the Meetup, never show up. Like, so you might have thousands of people on your list, but you don't really know who's active, who's not. With this, you actively have to go and add yourself to the event. And also, it's actually pretty expensive for organizers. Organizers pay between $12 to $19 per month to keep their groups going. So if they don't pass that cost to the user, it actually get quite expensive per year.
How are you going to build awareness for this app?
Yeah, we basically are going like grassroots, like partnering up with a lot of local group runs with like different sports facilities and also true campuses. So basically we start from like places that people have some ties already, and then we get them on the platform. We're hoping it kind of build upon itself. The good thing is active people talk. When they love something, just talk about it. But it will take some time, for sure. Yeah, I think we're good.